Maths doesn't always have to be hard and confusing. Sometimes it can be easy and fun. Finding square root is sometimes difficult and time consuming, but some tips and tricks can help you to find the square root in an easier and a faster way. And it proves to be very helpful when you are solving complex equations. Well, in this video, we are going to study tricks and tips to find the square root so that you can solve the problems in a better way. With that being said, let's our classic intro begin. Students, welcome to the channel of Doshi Classes and stick around to learn about tricks and tips to find the square root. Before dipping into the video, hit the subscribe button and be the part of Doshi Classes. Without wasting much time, let's zoom into the video. To find the square root of small numbers like 4, 9, 16, 25, an easy task because we know the multiplication. To find the root of 3-digit and an above number is a pretty difficult task. In this video, I am going to teach to find square root of 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. Well, before proceeding with the video, remember the root of 3-digit and a 4-digit number will always be in 2-digit. Let us try to understand this by finding a square root of a large number 4761. 4761. The unit digit of this number is 1. Find the number from 0 to 9 whose square ends with 1. Now, 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. Therefore, the required square root will end with 1 or 9. Let us proceed to find out the digit in the tens place. The first two digits of the given number is 47. Find a number whose square is just below 47. 6 square is 36 and 7 square is 49. Therefore, 6 square is just below 47. Therefore, the digit in the tens place is 6. Now we have two tentative square roots of the number 4761, that is 61 and 69, and we need to find which is the exact root of the both. Now 65 is in middle of 61 and 69, therefore we have to find the square of 65. For this, we have to multiply the tens place number with the next number and then write 25. Now 65 square is 6 into 7, that is 42. Now write 25, therefore 65 square is 4225. Now compare this number, that is 4225 with 4761. Now 4225 is less than 4761, therefore the root of 4761 is equal to 69. Wasn't that simple? Now let's take one more example and try to find the square root of the number 8856. The unit digit of this number is 6. Find a number from 0 to 9 whose square ends with 6. Now 4 square is 16 and 6 square is 36. Therefore, the required square root will end with 4 or 6. Now find a number whose square is just below 88. 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. 9 square is just below 88, therefore the digit in the tens place is 9. Now we have two tentative square roots, that is 94 and 96, and we need to find out which is exact root of the both. 95 is in between 94 and 96, so we need to find the square of 95. For this, we have to multiply the tens place number with the next number and write 25 after the answer. Now tens place number is 9, so 9 into the next number, that is 10, 9 into 10 is 90 and the answer is 9025. That is 95 square is 9025. Now compare 9025 with 8856. 9025 is bigger than 8856. Therefore, the root of 8856 is 94. This trick also applies to 3-digit number. Let us try to find the square root of the number 841. Now convert this 3-digit number into 4-digit number by adding a 0 in front of it. Hence the number is 0841. The units digit in this number is 1. Find a number from 0 to 9 whose square ends with 1. Now 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. Therefore, the required square root will end with 1 or 9. Find the number whose square is just below 08. Now 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. 2 square is just below 08. Therefore, the digit in the tens place is 2. Now we have two tentative square root, that is 21 and 29, and we need to find which is the exact square root, that is 21 or 29. For this we have to find the square root of 25. For this we have to multiply the tens place number with the next number, that is multiply 2 with 3 and write 25 after the answer. 2 into 3 is 6, therefore 25 square is 625. Now compare 625 with 0841. 625 is smaller than 0841. Therefore, the root of 841 is 29. Wasn't that easy? Using this trick, you can find the square root of larger number within no time. In the next video, I shall teach the trick to find the square root of 5-digit and 6-digit number. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, make sure to subscribe for more.